Hey everybody, it's Rick at Dentec. Today I've got a Honda trail bike gas tank. It's got a couple dents, creases in the dent. I'll be going from the back side of the panel, massage the dent out. Customer doesn't want to repaint this. It's a vintage tank. Also doesn't want to replace the decals, keep it all factory. So I'll be using paintless dent repair, going from the back side of the panel and massaging the dent out. Customers should be really pleased with the results. If you've got a dent in your gas tank or fender, give me a call today, 403-315-2333, or you can stop by the shop located right next to Western Stockman on 43rd Street South, and you can see some of my work on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.